mathematicians, it's Miss A.
Hi, I'm Cody.
Great to see you. Glad you're back. This means you made it through the week. If you're on Numbertalk number 4, you've made it through all your other math. We are proud of you. Way to go, mathematicians. Nicely done. All right. So for your Numbertalk today, we'll just do a quick review. Here's your target when you are doing your Numbertalk. Read it with me. I can persevere to clearly explain my thinking for solving an equation. So you're going to persevere, show that grit, not give up, and do your very best to explain your thinking for solving a math equation. Now remember, when we do this, these are the things that we are working really carefully to do. Take time to solve the equation. Very carefully in your head, try solving it more than one way, and clearly explain your thinking, because that's good practice for your brain to be a flexible mathematician, and when your friends listen to your thinking, they'll learn from your awesome thinking. Now also keep in mind, when you record your thinking on a Flipgrid video, you want to speak clearly. You don't have to yell, but you want to speak clearly so we can hear your thinking, and explain each step you make. What do you do first? What did you do next? What did you picture in your head? Did you decompose a number? Did you take it apart? Did you join it with something else? Did you make numbers friendly? What did you do to really make it work for your head and make it easy and efficient? That's the name of the game, mathematician. And when you take your selfie sticker, remember, when you take your selfie picture, you can add one sticker. How many stickers, Cody?
1.
You can add 1. That's right, mathematicians. You can add 1 sticker as your reminder. Now, as a reminder, why in the world do we do number talks? Why do we take the time to do this when we're together in school? And why are we taking the time to practice even when we're not together in school? Well, being able to construct or build an argument that explains your thinking and analyze and critique the thinking and reasoning of your friends helps you to share your ideas, explain your thinking, and learn from others. Both of those things help you to make connections, explain your thinking, and have a deeper understanding as a mathematician. So that's why we do these things, and it's really important that you look at your own strategy, you look at someone else's, and you compare what worked for both of us, what didn't work, what could I take from my friends, what could I teach others. That just kind of helps to build your math toolbox as a mathematician. All right, so here's this week's number talk. Assistant, can you please show what the number talk is for this week? That's right, 119 plus 20. Now you may not stack it in your head. I do want to hear and see you using really great strategies and ways that you can make this really easy and efficient in your brain. How can you clearly explain 119 plus 20? Is there more than one way that you can picture it in your head? Is there more than one way that you can explain it? That would be really, really cool to hear if you can. So now remember, to get there, we're going to go to our Math 2nd grade Google Classroom. Click on this week's Number Talk. When you get there, don't forget to click on that blue login with Google. If you're on a school Chromebook, it'll automatically log you in. If you're not, you need to enter your BVSD login because that's connected to Google, and that'll get you right there. Then you're going to clearly record your thinking. Remember, before you record yourself, it would be really great to practice. You could practice with a stuffy, you could practice with a pet, you can practice with a mirror, you can practice with a wall, or if you have an adult or a friend or a sibling available close by, you can practice with them. But they might be busy working, so if they're not available, that's okay. You can practice explaining to anyone or anything. So let's practice these steps and how to get there. When I go to my BVSD portal, and click on Google Classroom. The yellow and green Google Classroom. Then we need to find the pink Math 2nd grade Google Classroom. Here it is. Click on that. When you get in there is that feed up front that we aren't really using very much right now. Click on Classwork. In Classwork, you have a Number Talk topic. And on your Number Talk topic, you can click on Number Talk number 4. Which Number Talk are we on, Cody?
4.
Number Talk number 4. That is right. Number Talk number 4. Carefully read your directions so that you don't forget any step, and click on the Flipgrid link. When you click on that Flipgrid link, go ahead and click that blue login with Google. and you will see Numbertalk number 4. All right, remember you click on the big green plus sign, and that is going to give you the option to record. So it'll look like this. Click on that big green plus sign when you're ready, when you've practiced, and you can record yourself. Now, mathematicians, when you've finished recording yourself, remember, you can go back and give kind, helpful, and specific feedback. So click on a friend's, listen to their thinking really carefully, and then you can offer them, by clicking on this green video button, a really short, kind, helpful, and specific feedback. So kind being, wow, I can tell you worked really hard on your thinking. Helpful, give them something specific. Maybe, I followed you when you made a jump up by 10, but then you lost me. Can you re-explain that part to me? Be very helpful and specific on what is it that you didn't understand. Or you could talk about what are the things that you agree with, disagree with. Could you share a strategy that you think might help them if it seemed like they were maybe a little confused? This is not a time to make fun of each other's thinking. This is a time to build each other up and support each other. This is a time that even if you were able to get the thinking pretty easily, this is a chance for you to learn from a friend and maybe do something that you didn't think of. All right, mathematicians, when you're ready, you have everything you need to know. You are off and ready to go. So do your best, mathematicians.
Do your best, mathematicians.
You got this.
Whoop, whoop.